Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. In this episode, we'll talk about the 1.9 Tdi engine from the Volkswagen SKODA AUDI seat group. So to the point, the 1.9 Tdi engine is arguably one of the most iconic and beloved diesel engines produced by the Volkswagen Group. Manufactured from 1991 to 2010, it earned a legendary reputation for its robustness, longevity, and exceptional fuel economy. It was used in a vast array of vehicles across the VW, Audi, SKODA, and seat brands. General opinions. Bulletproof reliability. The 1.9 Tdi, especially the older distributor pump and early PD pump unit injector versions, is often lauded as one of the most reliable diesel engines ever made. Many examples easily exceed 400,000 kilometers, 250,000 miles, with proper maintenance. Economical to run. Its fuel efficiency is a major draw, keeping running costs low. Rough but honest. While newer common rail diesels are more refined, the 1.9 Tdi, especially PD versions, is known for its distinctive agricultural noise and vibration. However, many owners see this as part of its character, a no-nonsense workhorse. Tunability. Popular with tuners due to its robust internals, allowing for significant power increases with ECU remaps. Advantages. Exceptional durability and longevity. This is its biggest selling point. Many units are still running strong today, a testament to their robust design and construction. Outstanding fuel economy. Consistently delivers impressive real-world MPG figures, often better than advertised. High torque output. Provides strong pulling power from low RPMs, making vehicles feel responsive and capable, even in higher gears. Simple design. Older versions, early versions with a mechanical injection pump are less complex than modern diesels, often easier and cheaper to repair for certain issues. Many PD versions also do not have a diesel particulate filter, DPF, simplifying maintenance. Widespread parts availability. Due to its immense popularity and long production run, spare parts are plentiful and generally affordable. Good for high mileage. Ideal for drivers who do a lot of motorway miles. Disadvantages, faults, and breakdowns commonly reported. While renowned for reliability, the 1.9 Tdi is not entirely without its weaknesses, especially as vehicles age. Issues also vary between the different generations. General to both VE and PD versions. Noise and vibration. Inherently louder and harsher than modern common rail diesels. This is particularly true for PD engines due to the high injection pressures, EGR valve and intake manifold clogging. Exhaust gas recirculation can lead to carbon buildup, restricting airflow and causing performance issues or check engine lights. Regular cleaning is often necessary. Turbocharger failure. Like all turbocharged engines, the turbo can fail, especially if oil changes are neglected or if the engine isn't allowed to cool down after hard driving. Symptoms include power loss, excessive smoke, blue/black, and whining/whistling noises. Variable geometry turbochargers, VGT/VNT, can suffer from sticky vanes. Dual mass flywheel, DMF, and clutch wear, common on high-torque diesel engines. The DMF can wear out, causing rattling noises at idle or when shutting off the engine, vibrations, and juddering during gear changes. Clutch wear is also common, especially with aggressive driving or towing. Glow plug issues can lead to hard starting in cold weather. Various sensor failures, MAF, mass airflow, sensor, and 75 valve, boost control, etc., can cause limp mode or reduce power. Specific to PD, pump unit injector versions. Unit injector problems. These complex electromechanical injectors can fail. Symptoms include rough idling, misfires, black smoke, increased fuel consumption, or diesel mixing with engine oil due to worn injector seals, though less common than in some 2.0 Tdi PDs. Replacement or reconditioning is expensive. Camshaft wear. The camshaft lobes that operate the unit injectors are subjected to high forces and can wear, especially if incorrect oil, not meeting VW 505.01, is used or oil changes are neglected. Conrad connecting rod issues specific codes like BLS, BXE, some specific PD engine codes, notably BLS and BXE, often found in later Golf V, Touran, Passat B6, are known for a weakness in the connecting rod bearings or bolts, which can lead to catastrophic engine failure, Conrad going through the block with little to no warning. This is a significant concern for owners of these specific variants. Fuel consumption, approximate real-world figures. The 1.9 Tdi is celebrated for its low fuel consumption. City, 5.5 to 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers, approximate 31 to 43 mpg US/38 to 51 mpg UK. Highway, 4.0 to 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers, approximate 43 to 59 mpg US/51 to 71 mpg UK. Combined, 4.5 to 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers, approximate 36 to 52 mpg US/43 to 63 mpg UK. Green versions, e.g. VW Polo Blue Motion, SKODA Fabia Green Line, can achieve even lower figures. Timing. Timing belt. All 1.9 Tdi engines use a timing belt. Replacement interval. This is critical and varies significantly by engine code and model year. Older VE distributor pump versions, e.g. 1Z, HU, FN, typically 90,000 kilometers, approximate 56,000 miles, with some early models having shorter intervals, e.g. 60,000 kilometers. PD, pump Duze versions, e.g. ALH, ASZ, ERL, BXE, BKC intervals generally range from 90,000 kilometers to 150,000 kilometers, approximate 56,000 to 93,000 miles. Some later PD engines, e.g. in Golf V, might have had intervals up to 120,000 kilometers. Time limit. Regardless of mileage, it is universally recommended to replace the timing belt every 4 to 5 years due to material degradation from age and temperature cycles. Importance. Timing belt failure leads to catastrophic engine damage, valves hitting pistons. Always replace the full kit, belt, tensioners, idlers, and water pump, as the water pump is usually driven by the timing belt and is a common failure point. Oil. Using the correct engine oil is absolutely paramount for the longevity and reliability of the 1.9 Tdi engine, particularly for the PD versions. Older 1.9 Tdi VE distributor pump versions typically require oils meeting VW 505.00 specification, usually 5W, 40 or 10W, 40 viscosity. 1.9 Tdi PD pump Duze/unit injector versions. These engines mandatorily require oils meeting the VW 505.01 specification. This is not interchangeable with VW 505.00. VW 505.01 oil has specific additives and shear stability to protect the highly stressed camshaft lobes that operate the unit injectors. Using incorrect oil is a leading cause of camshaft wear in these engines. Typically 5W, 40 viscosity. 1.9 Tdi PD with DPF, later versions like BLS for these engines. An oil meeting VW 507.00, a low SAPS oil suitable for DPFs, is required, often with 5W, 30 viscosity. This specification is backward compatible with 505.01 for PD engines with a DPF. Capacity, typically around 4.3 to 4.5 liters, but always check the specific owner's manual. Change intervals. While some manuals might specify extended intervals, e.g. 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers, it is highly recommended to change the oil and filter every 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers or once a year, especially given the age of these engines and the demanding nature of PD injection. More frequent changes significantly extend engine life and prevent common issues. versions, power outputs, and engine codes. The 1.9 Tdi was produced in a vast array of versions, differing primarily in their fuel injection system, VE versus PD, turbocharger type, fixed versus variable geometry, and power output. Here are some of the most common ones. Indirect injection, pre-chamber, very early diesels, less common as TDI. AZ, 75 PS older, less common, often without direct injection, pre-chamber diesel. Direct injection, VE distributor pump, Euro 1/2/3. 1Z, 90 PS, one of the first direct injection TDIs. HU, 90 PS successor to 1Z, often Euro 2 compliant. AFN, 110 PS first 110 PS version with variable geometry turbo, VGT/VNT. AGR, 90 PS simpler, fixed geometry turbo version. LH, 90 PS very popular and robust, often considered one of the best 90 PS variants, with VGT. Direct injection, PD, pump, Duze/unit injector, Euro 3/4. ATD/AXR, 100 PS common, 100 PS PD. ASZ, 130 PS, powerful and popular 130 PS PD. ARL, 150 PS, the most powerful factory 1.9 Tdi PD, highly sought after by tuners. AXR, 100 PS found in later models, often with some refinements. VKC, 105 PS, one of the early 105 PS PDs, often without DPF. BJB, 105 PS similar to BKC. BLS, 105 PS common, 105 PS PD, often with DPF. Known for potential Conrad issues in some instances. BXC, 105 PS, very common, 105 PS PD, also known for potential Conrad issues. BXC, 90 PS lower power, 90 PS PD. The 1.9 Tdi engine's legacy is defined by its remarkable durability and economy, making it a highly desirable used engine despite its age. However, prospective buyers should pay close attention to its specific maintenance requirements, especially regarding oil type and timing belt intervals, and be aware of potential weaknesses in certain engine codes. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automotive Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.